Greenlake is the cloud delivering a unified platform experience designed to help you simplify IT, reduce costs, and transform faster. How does it do these things? Let's take a quick tour of Greenlake. On this tour, we'll see how Greenlake can help you streamline IT operations with unified control, help you keep your resources optimized and efficient, give you full-stack visibility, and provide agentic automation that lets you spend more time on strategic work. Managing your compute, networking, and storage infrastructure is the first area where Greenlake helps streamline IT ops. For servers, launch HPE Compute Ops Management, which lets you see, automate, and secure servers at all your locations, from data center to colo to edge, from one console. Quickly understand any health and compliance issues that need attention, and automate support interactions when needed. For networking, use HPE Aruba Networking Central to manage wired, wireless, SD-WAN, private 5G, IoT, and third-party devices, all with self-driving automation across all your locations. Likewise, Greenlake offers services to manage your block, file, and object storage infrastructure, so you can get the most out of your data. Greenlake also enables management above the pure infrastructure level, with capabilities for hybrid clouds and Greenlake Flex solutions. If you're using one of HPE's full-stack private cloud offerings, from air-gapped to edge, core to AI, you manage that infrastructure on Greenlake, simplifying deployment and management of virtualization and container infrastructure, as well as public cloud resources. And if you're using HPE Morpheus software to manage your own private cloud infrastructure and orchestrate hybrid cloud resources, you can track all of your Morpheus appliances from Greenlake. If you're consuming HPE infrastructure as a service with a Greenlake Flex solution, Greenlake gives you one place to manage the essentials of your Flex experience. This includes visibility into that relationship, with an inventory of your Flex infrastructure and insight into your Flex orders and when they're expiring, so that you can plan renewals in advance. Regardless of which of the previous situations applies to you, Greenlake provides core platform capabilities, including a unified view of all of these devices and your subscriptions to the services that manage them, with proactive insights on refreshing aging infrastructure, renewing expiring subscriptions, and more. This Asset Explorer even shows third-party infrastructure. In addition to the Asset Explorer, these core capabilities include workspace management that enables MSPs and large enterprises to manage their resources with multi-tenancy, identity and access management with RBAC and multiple SSO options, service lifecycle management for the services you use on Greenlake, and usage and billing reporting for HPE as a service offerings. So far, we've focused on ways that Greenlake enables direct management of your hybrid IT resources. The platform also includes a few services that help you optimize those resources to run your workloads efficiently and minimize downtime for better return on investment. The built-in consumption analytics capability provides the visibility into as-a-service usage and billing that I mentioned earlier, but goes much further. For those offerings, it also tracks usage against installed capacity with forecasting to help you decide when to rebalance workloads or scale capacity up or down. And it offers powerful cost management analytics and governance tools for your hybrid IT environment, including anomaly detection, budget notifications, and customizable showback reporting. Greenlake includes a wellness dashboard, where you can discover wellness events that affect your infrastructure. AI recommends actions to solve an issue, or even prevent it in advance, and HPE support cases are opened automatically when needed. And the platform also comes with the HPE Sustainability Insights Center, which helps you accelerate your IT sustainability goals with comprehensive insights into energy usage, costs, and emissions across your multi-vendor and multi-cloud environment, empowering smarter, data-driven decisions. For full-stack visibility of your IT environment, you can run HPE OpsRamp software on Greenlake. This provides AI-driven observability and automation covering multi-vendor and multi-cloud environments, helping you see issues in full context, cut through alert noise, and streamline routine fixes. The last thing we'd like to show you on this tour of Greenlake's unified platform is its agentic automation. Greenlake Intelligence, an agentic AI framework that brings together expert AI agents from multiple IT domains for a powerful collective intelligence, is accessible from many of the Greenlake services shown in this demo. With its ability to provide answers, analyze your environment, offer recommendations, and even take action with your consent. GreenLake Intelligence can help you stay ahead of costly downtime, get the most out of your IT, and shift your operations team from tedious tasks to more strategic work. That does it for our tour of GreenLake. Streamlined IT operations, optimized and efficient resources, full-stack visibility, and agentic automation in one unified platform experience. To see more, create your workspace today and try it for yourself.